Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to Archie's Corner if you're new here. So today is the third day in Goa and last day in South Goa, so we checked out from Lagres Resort. Before heading to North Goa, the plan was to visit a couple of churches at South Goa and a boat ride from Miramar beach.
I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. Let's dance the night away, we're locked together far away, you and me. We'll have a celebration to an unknown destination, can't you?
This particular spot at Panjim was planned since multiple attractions are there nearby. But most of the churches were closed due to renovation and we could visit only few of them.
With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far away.
We booked the tickets for dolphin ride from an agent near this shop. Ticket charge was mentioned as Rs 400 and after negotiating it was charged at Rs 220 per head. Almost after 30 minutes of drive, we reached the Miramar beach in Panjim, which is also the longest beach in the state.
We'll dance on that till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance on that till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance on that till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby.
The boat ride was for 1 hour and we had a very nice time. Advik was scared initially, but later he also started enjoying it.
Throw your things away tonight. We'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far.
That's it for today's video and thanks for watching. So as usual, please do like this video, comment your feedback in the description below and click that subscribe button to join our YouTube family. I'll see you soon with the next part of Goa series. You guys take care and stay safe. Bye.
Together far away, you and me. We'll have a celebration to an unknown destination. Can't you see?